Hold on, we'll do it after this. Where are we at now?
Yeah, we're gonna stop at the restroom.
Where are we at? We're in Asia?
Yeah.
We're in Asia. Oh. Oh, we're in Asia. Huh? What happened?
Which way? Right?
This way.
Look at the Coca-Cola sign. I know it.
We need to go back there. It's the river rapids.
That was fun.
I know.
I know, maybe we're looking. There's right. I see the sign for it.
Looks like somebody's peeing from behind that wall.